my budgies. They're very interesting creatures that live in this cage. No. The blue one with the black and white stripes. Okay, you know what I mean. The one with the big blue belly. His name, which is the male, is Ryder. And the white one with some blue spots on her, she is the female, of course, and her name is Riley. They do many stuff together. They're only about 4 months old, and they can't talk or whistle, but they like to squawk, make some squawking noises. They're very interesting. You can hear him making some noises. Say hi, budgies. Oh wait, they don't talk. Well, that's all for now.